Guys checking up on me on my Jake Gyllenhaal sit-ups, sitting out. I'm doing well, as always. I feel lighter. The more times I do it, the more I feel lighter, stronger. I don't want my arms to get too big. That's unattractive to me, for a woman, and for me personally. And I could make my arms stronger, but I don't really see the point in that. I want to be able to be home by myself and look in the mirror and be like, yes. Mr. Broken Winged Duck. There something goes again.